Welcome to Teague Walks. Today we're in downtown Kansas City, about to walk with Vamsi Bonthala, CEO of Arbor Lodging. Let's go.
What's up, Teague?
Vamsi, how are you?
Welcome, good to see you.
Thank you for having us.
Welcome to historic Hotel Phillips.
This is exciting. This is a big deal.
Yes, it was, and it continues to be.
When did you guys buy this?
We bought this about 10, 11 years ago, and it's 95 years old. You know, when you buy something like this, there's a lot of responsibility that comes with that, but it's been a really fun project.
I love it. I can't wait to walk.
Cool,
Let's go.
Let's do it. This is not part of the normal design here.
Is this because we're hosting FIFA?
We are hosting FIFA here in Kansas City this week. Lots of buzz in the hotel. It's been super fun to be hosting people from all over the world here and really putting Kansas City on the map. I mean, it's got some things going, particularly with Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce, but I think the idea that people on the other side of the planet are going to know about Kansas City is a really special moment.
Well, you can feel the energy in the city, in the building, and you can feel it. There's people everywhere.
Yep. It's going to be really
Mostly
fun.
Argentinian fans.
Yes, that's true. They travel well. This hotel was built in 1931, so it is 95 years old. And what's even cooler is that previous to this hotel being built, there used to be a hotel here called the Glennon Hotel. And Harry Truman had a haberdashery in the corner right where we were just standing out a little bit ago. So he worked right in this location.
I love these old historic hotels and all the stories.
Yeah.
Is that part of what drew you to this?
Absolutely. I mean, like real estate, hotels, it's about storytelling. It's like combining design and things that look good, that operate well, and people want to live in. And you get so much content to work with in a place like this. So it's been really fun. We felt like this is where guests were going, both geographically within Kansas City. You were seeing a lot more people wanting to come downtown. And the guests were going into these more design-driven hotels. They were like tired of the commodity stuff. And with the Hilton and Marriott moving into soft brands at that time, we were, I believe, the 5th curio in the entire system here. And then I think when the team saw that we were pursuing this deal, they were like, okay, like we're kind of taking it up a notch here. And so you could tell that the voice of the company, the culture of the company changed a lot. It was a great source of pride for everybody when we finished it up. And you know, you're taught not to get emotional about your assets and your investments most importantly, but we're emotional about this.
We got a little emotional. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. And one, you were right. I mean, we got FIFA blowing up.
Yes.
Let's come get ourselves.
So it doesn't normally look like this.
Sure,
There's been some things moved around and some things added, but
and I think half the people right now think we're with Fox Sports.
Yes. Yeah, we'll run with that. If we could get
go with it.
You know, pitch side seats, that'd be pretty cool.
Perfect. You're the famous guy.
Let's head upstairs. I'd love to show you the ballroom. We've got the historic Crystal Ballroom over there, which is pretty cool. But on the way, you can see the historic elements all over the place, including the goddess statue here that is original to the hotel. There's tremendous amount of content and things to work with, but you also have to have it all work together. You know, one cool story about the chandeliers here is that one back there is original. And we needed to put in new lighting here. We were trying to figure out what we wanted to do. And if you can see all the design work on that chandelier, it did not feel like it was something that we could reasonably replicate, or certainly at a reasonable cost. And so we went a totally different direction. We were like, let's not even try to be close to that. Let's give a different voice over on this side. And as you can tell, it's very modern, very clean. All right, now we're walking into the Crystal Ballroom. This is likely the least touched room in the entire hotel. As you can see, you have original wall work, ceilings, lighting, just a really, really special room that it's like one of those areas where when you step into it, you feel like you've stepped back into time. So I think when you have a hotel like this and you meet people in the community that know that you're affiliated with the hotel, they start telling you stories like, my mom had her birthday party there, my aunt got married there, things like that. And this room comes up a lot, but that's really fun Because that's the part when you know how important hotels are to the community.
Yeah, right.
It's not just an investment. It's not just about like fighting the brand on operations. It's like really creating a place that's like full of memories for people.
Yeah, if these walls could talk.
All right, we're gonna head up to some rooms now. As you can see, another place where it's just off in a little corner, but it just exudes history. You see the brass doors on these elevators.
Oh, yeah.
You've got original signage up there. And you have even a little bit of a hallmark to yesteryear of how we communicated back in the day. This is still an active mailbox, and you probably know, but you'll see this in a lot of historic buildings, offices, hotels, where people want to write letters home, postcards, whatever it is, throw it down at the end of your hall, and it would drop down the chute into here. And then, 14 to 21 days later, your message was received.
Oh, the good old days.
Yeah.
Because this is how we communicated back then.
Yeah. So the work in the lobbies was all cosmetic. You can see some of the elements of a historic hotel here. The corridors are a little narrower.
Yep.
Ceiling's a little lower. There's not as much as you can do. The good thing is it's really solid. Whatever was
that's a
built
wall.
here might be a little different, but this is a really well-built hotel. So let me show you to one of our rooms.
Thank you.
So here we are in one of our guest rooms. We pretty much touched everything in here.
The whole thing.
Yep, bathrooms were all new fixtures, and there wasn't really too much within the rooms themselves that was too historic. It was really an exercise in designing something that felt more modern and new, but still kind of made sense within the four walls of this building. So look, we want to make sure the guest has a good night and rests up down here, but it's a lot more fun in the rest of the hotel. So let's go check out some of the F&B here.
You had me at F&B.
Here we're coming to our 3-meal restaurant. This is Tabernona.
Was this always a restaurant?
It was. So the restaurant was always here. We did a comprehensive renovation here on everything. What was happening when we acquired the hotel and did the renovation was there was hyper growth in downtown Kansas City. The population of downtown Kansas City doubled. So the way we thought about designing this was trying to warm it up a little bit so that it's not just servicing the guests who we know we can already capture, but how can we try to convince all the people that live in the area that this is their neighborhood restaurant? Come here for a beer, watch the game, hang out here. And so that was really the general idea that we went with in designing it.
Listen, what I heard was, and I may not be good at math, but when the population doubles, that means you did really well.
Yes, yeah. No, there's a lot of momentum here, which is pretty cool to see.
It's fun. It's fun to be a part of it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. All right. So I know you've done 5-6 years of talks and walks.
Yes.
I'm pretty certain you've never seen this before. This is super unique to the hotel, and a few different locations around the world. So this is our Le Petit Chef operation. It's an interactive dining experience where we cook the food, but there is an animated experience on the plates for guests. This is a full theatrical experience of where the show is on the table for you. So it will look like there's like a farm here and somebody will cultivate the vegetables and like bring the vegetables to a kitchen and they'll get cut up and they're cooked. And then it'll look like they wheelbarrow those carrots over and put them onto your plate. As that's happening, our team comes and put carrots on the plate. So they are having the meal that they just saw the show about.
Wow. What's it called? Le Petit Chef?
Yes, that's right.
And it's a third party.
It's a third party.
Are you operating or they're operating?
We operate it.
Which is
It's
a
their
franchise.
technology that we're using.
Wow.
Yeah. So we've had it here for about 2 years, and it's been a big hit. We're not completely clear on what was here on day one.
But when you got it.
But when we got it, it was just a meeting space. But before that, it was a old classic steakhouse.
Oh.
So wood paneling, everything in this room is historic. There was very little that we were allowed to touch.
I mean, this is totally unique. I've never seen this. I can't believe I've never seen this.
So that's Le Petit Chef. Let's go check out the Speakeasy. All right, here we come to PS Speakeasy.
Excellent.
Our little hidden bar away.
Love it.
I appreciate you not filming the secret door so it stays a secret. You didn't have to show everybody how to get down here. This was a really fun and cool project, and there used to be a big open staircase, and we refilled in the floor so that it went back to its original footprint. What we realized along the way was, well, if we're building the floor, then that means we just created a room below it. We now have a ceiling. So we came down here, it just felt perfect for a speakeasy at that point.
Yeah.
It just like,
Yes.
and so we started running with that, and we went very high design down here, really wanted to create that intimate experience. There's so much history here from the Prohibition era and things like that. Even though it's a brand new and didn't exist before, it feels natural. Like you almost think that this might be the most historical part of the hotel.
That's exactly what I thought.
Yeah, exactly.
But you're telling me this was what?
This was storage.
Storage.
Yeah.
Of course.
And that's actually where PS somewhat comes from. It also served as the mail room at one point for the hotel.
Sure.
So it was a combination of PS being postscript, come here after your evening, after your dinner, come down here, grab drinks.
And I'm assuming this works because when I checked in, I asked the guy, what should I do? And he said, make sure you make a reservation for the speakeasy, otherwise you won't get in.
Yes, this place is always busy. Luckily, you know a guy. I'm going to be hosting you here tonight.
Thank you.
You're going
Can't
to get
wait.
to experience it. But it's a pretty fun place. Yeah.
This is really cool. Vamsi, this is an awesome project.
This has been a really fun day. I appreciate it.
I'm glad. Thanks for having it. And congratulations on 20 years. 20-year
you.
anniversary.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. It was good to see you.
This is super fun.
It
Thanks
was
for
a lot
doing
of fun.
this.
A
Thanks
lot
for
of
doing
fun.
this.
Let's go watch some soccer.
Let's do it.